है सीन टाइट ओदी जीन नजरा तो ठकदी है सोनी बड़ी लगदी ब्राउन कुड़ी yeah she my brown कुड़ी किन्नी है सीन टाइट ओदी जीन नजरा तो ठकदी है सोनी बड़ी लगदी.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be taking a quiz that will show my aesthetics. So then I will be turning them into like living with those aesthetic for a day. I hope you guys got it. So I will be taking a quiz. I will be putting the quiz picture over here that I'm gonna be taking, and yeah, that's all I want to say. So let's begin with the quiz, because I know this video gonna be so long because I can't do aesthetic. I am the worst at aesthetics. Like I try to compete but I can't. So yeah, let's just not waste any time and let's go. So let's begin. So the first question is here. You also get the questions ka sticker over here, so you can write them in your copy and I stick all the answers over here as well. So it's like a quiz video also. If you're taking the quiz with me, take a pen and pencil with you. Just telling that. Let's go. I'm so excited that I can't even tell. Let's go. So the first question is, say, what t-shirt will you wear? It's so obvious that I will take A, because yeah, that's I kind of like A wala t-shirts. Let's go with A. Okay, which pants will you wear? Okay, which pants will I wear? That's a difficult question for me because I can't choose the kind of pants that I like. I like D as well as A. I like both of them. So I'm gonna go with A because that's more beautiful. I hope you're not going with Shneera. Don't follow me, I'm lost too. I like the B one in the sock thing. Which pin will you wear? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so these pins are really cute, but I don't think it would look good on hair. I'm going with A. Oh, and for clips I'm going with D. B and D. Shoes, damn these shoes. I'm going with D. D looks so good, like D is the best. And for hats I am going with D as well. I like D. No, B. I'm going with B for hats. Yeah, hats for D forever. Flowers forever. Not true. For the bags, I'm going with C. Without any clue, C. I need not even choose. Okay, so there's necklace. Oh, all the necklaces are. Okay, so necklaces के लिए I am going to go with. All the necklaces are really cute. Not A. I'm gonna go with C or D. Let's go with C. I think C would be nice. C is quite cute. I'm going with, without any clue, C in this. No, B. Oh shit, the eyeshadows are damn good. I am in love with the eyeshadows. I wish I can do any, but I can't. Like, I can do. The kind of eyeshadow that I like is C and D. C. 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 Without any clue, C. Yeah. Oh, hoodie. Forever A. A is something that has my heart. Jacket I will pick. Got 4 A's and 4 D's, so it's a tie. So I will do both the aesthetics ka compilation or together. That depends on my mood, okay? Or I will do both of them. I don't know. Okay. Already with my outfit. Today is day 2 basically. आज मैं dress करूँगी सारे outfits. I have not taken the bath. I will show you the outfits. Take the bath and then meet you guys. Yeah, that's what I think I will do. So for the elegant outfit, I have taken this beautiful coat that I have. This beautiful coat that I have, and then I will wear this top inside it. I love this top. It's a beautiful black top. And then I will wear palazzo below it. That's whole black, elegant, classic outfit that I found. And then for the soft girl outfits, I have so many pink clothes. Like, yeah, I know I don't have pink, but I powdered it. So well, I've taken 1, 2, 3, around 3 outfits I've taken. So the first thing that I will wear is this off-shoulder top. This is an amazing, beautiful top. I am in an obsession with this top. And then I'm gonna wear this beautiful dungaree that I have on this top, and then a pink scrunchie that I have, and yeah, that's all I have thought for the first outfit. But then for the second outfit, I'm taking this beautiful pink sporty shirt that I have, and then my everyday shorts. That's what I think. So guys, I'm all done with my first look. It's a whole classic black outfit that I am in obsession with. I changed the coat because I was not liking that coat that I was wearing, and this looked fab. And the photos on this newspaper background turned out to be so good that I didn't expect them to be so good. So now you guys see the photos because you gotta enjoy them, like literally enjoy them. Go.
I choo cause they hope I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch.
Just wanna feel something really real so that I can really feel like a person again. Stranger.
It was looking super good, but then I just did something with my hair, like cut it half it like this, something like that. Then it was so good, so I did go with that. So now I will be changing into my third outfit, which is a really comfortable one. I really like that, so I'm gonna wear that. Then me too guys, I'm gonna put this makeup only, these two eyeshadow, lipstick and normal soft girl types, and I'm gonna go with something else in my hair. So yeah, super excited. So this is the last outfit for today's video, and I will be ending the video in this outfit only. So this is a proper kawaii girl kind of outfit. I tried to make myself look like a Japanese, but I don't look like, but okay. So I have messy hairs, my babe. Messy hairs, finally a ponytail, so वैसे मैं open hair हूँ. And then I'm wearing this pink top because kawaii girls equals to pink tops, and I'm obsessed with this pink top. And then the shorts. This is such a beautiful outfit that I can even tell. Like, this is so pretty. This can be cute, sassy, everything. This is an outfit that I kind of like.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
So guys, that was all for this video. I enjoyed dressing up like aesthetics. Like, I loved the classic and elegant one as well as the soft girl kawaii girl one. I enjoyed it a lot. If you want to see more reels and images, you can go follow me on my Instagram as well on my Snapchat. I am really active as there as well. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And I will be linking the quiz in the description box below, so you can try it again if you want. And yeah, that's all. Bye.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.